hold on. I'm gonna pull up Logic right here, and I'm gonna show you what I used to, or how, not what I used to, how I get to the legacy, the legacy sounds, and then y'all let me know like what has changed. So if I go to, I have to be careful here not to screw something up. See, I don't know why this was muted. When I create stems, I gotta go back and put it back in its original state, because now I'm like, was this muted in the final version? No, I'm pretty sure. Anyways, all right, so I got a track